Hey guys, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces here. If you have been following me, you saw that I got a bunch of wooden items given to me. It was actually from an estate that a friend helped clean out, and she said, would you like these? She knows that I love to shop the wooden section of the thrift store. And in that assortment I've been working through, I've done one project already. This is going to be my second, so if you want to see the others, you got to head to the blog, or you can see the other videos on YouTube. But the other thing that kind of caught my fancy was this dilapidated, I guess you could call it a shelf thing. Obviously you can see it's falling apart, but my intention is to put it back together, give it a cute factor, and show you how simple it can be to take something that maybe somebody would seriously just throw away and turn it into something useful for your home. So stick around, see what happens. How cute is that? Took it from a broken, busted up piece that I believe is going to be thrown away. And thanks to my friend Mandy, who gave me all those wooden objects, I not only got the shelf fixed, but this cute recipe box fit right in there as well. Added a little glam with the glass knob, the stripes just add that cottagey feel. I hope you enjoyed that. That was fun. And my whole point is to inspire you. I hope this gives you an eye for seeing things differently. Maybe it's on the side of the road, or in the thrift store at a garage sale, or wherever, even in your own home. Sometimes you have things that you just kind of get tired of, but maybe it needs just a new look. But anyway, I invite you to stop over on my blog, prodigalpieces.com, and check out my project gallery. I have all sorts of things for you that I try to create to make it easy to make your house your home story. Subscribe here on YouTube. I have all sorts of other videos for you and many more on the way. Sign up for my newsletter and you'll get everything right in your inbox for free. Even a furniture buying guide and a discount to my shop where this will be available, along with all the other vintage antique finds I have, the furniture that I create and find and sell. Anyway, just completely invite you to come over, say hi down below, tell me what you think. Would you have done cottage style, maybe farmhouse, primitive. I don't know. I'd love to hear. I'd love to hear your ideas. Leave me some loving down below, share, and until next time, bye.